I feel like we're going to be seeing a lot of these in the days ahead. Social media, this one's going to be pretty tough to beat, obviously. Are you guys, what's going on here? Are you trying to beat it? Why is no one moving? On the entire stage, I'm noticing. No one on stage is moving. Pumar, stage manager. Why are you guys tackling each other over there? That's not something we normally do on stage. Is it just this stage, or has this gone to other studios? Oh, look, Fantasy and Friends. That's awkward. They've been off the air for about an hour. So they've been frozen for a really long time. They get paid overtime for this? And the newsroom. The newsroom's frozen also. Oh, boy, I hope nothing's breaking right now because we're in trouble. And what about the control room? The control room's frozen, too. Taking selfies, because that's what happens in our control room. All right, come on, we're done.
Oh, we're good?
We're done.
We're out of it?
What is that hand for? What is going on right there?
Oh! That was pretty good.